BubblePOP Kids here. Today we are going to be looking and treasure hunting for some gems. And instead of mining the traditional way, we're going to be chopping with my shizhies. Oh yeah.
What do you mean you're going to be chopping for gems? What if you accidentally chop the gem with your shizhies? Then it's no good. Then what's the point? Why are you doing this?
And I think it's a super huge brick that we're going to have to chop through. So I have some water here. Gonna dip it inside, make it squishy, so our shizhies can get through it. Can't wait.
Squishy? You have lost your mind for real. I know it.
Let's take a look at this beautiful box. This is what we're working with today. We are gonna find 10 real gems. If you can believe it or not, it's not like those regular old bars, the gold diggets that only has one. We're gonna get 10.
Wow, and here's the back of the box. Dig out 10 real gemstones. Oh, okay, so we're gonna get an excavation brick. Basically, you're gonna make that squishy so we can chop it. And then we get these other tools that we really don't need. A magnifying glass, why would we need that? We got our scissors. A little tool to take out the gems, definitely don't need that. And why would we need a paintbrush? Why? Read a bit about this. Discover with Dr. Cool's mission to inspire the next generation of scientists with cool science kits that each contain genuine specimens. Our hands-on kits include an info guide filled with cool science facts and an activity booklet with 10 puzzles to solve. Start your science adventure today. Oh, don't worry, Dr. Cool. We will. In case you guys are wondering who Dr. Cool is, that's him right there. He's a weirdo.
Alright, my little bubble teenies, let's get to it. Let's pop this excavation brick out of the box so we can start chopping. Ooh, gonna get tons of surprises. Ah, I can open it. What's going on?
Okay, so here we go. This is the activity booklet. I really don't think we need that. I just don't think so. What else? What else? Ooh, little papers. Here's the brick. Don't need that. Ooh, another adventure guide. How many do we need? Oh, this is telling us about the things we're gonna find, like those gems. Ew, that looks like a slug. Disgusting. Wow, ooh, this is like a little bag of goodies. Ooh. Like a little box or something? It's like a donut box. Oh, but here's the good stuff. Here's the good stuff.
Oh yeah, I thought this thing was gonna be big, but it is huge. And I guess it has to be because there's 10 things to get out of here. Look at this brick. It is humongo. Unbelievable. It feels like it's about 2-3 pounds. So pretty.
It looks like you bought this at Disney World. I don't know why. It's huge. I love the purple and red decorations. Classic.
We got our little tools, which I don't think we're gonna use. Well, maybe we'll use this. We get a little magnifier. Super cute. We get a little brush. We're not gonna need that. Or this little tool to dig them out.
Ooh, I feel like a pirate. This is like my treasure chest. Gotta crack it open.
Little bubble poppies, we are turning into pirates today. Like one of the 7 dwarfs, we're mining for some crystals, whatever these things are. So here is the brick. I unwrapped it. Oh, it actually feels like a piece of ceramic, like a piece of glass or stone. Wow.
Oh, and here's our adventure guide for the gems. We're supposed to be finding these things. I really hope we do. Okay, so here, we can get a geode. Geodes are beautiful. Or we can get pyrites. Looks like a piece of gold. We're going to be mining for quartz crystals. Ah, that looks like diamond. This one is disgusting. It looks like a snail or a slug. It's called a tiger's eye. Super weird. We're going to get one of those. Ooh, calcite. These are pretty. Different colors. Like tropical. Amethyst. Ah, my birthstone. I love that. Purple. So many things here. Fluorite. Fluorite is like green. Looks pretty cool. A hematite. Never heard of it. Looks like some kind of a worm. What else? Beautiful. A rose quartz. Super shiny rock. And the 10th and final gem we will be finding in this brick, snowflake obsidian. Masterpiece.
So there you go, guys. All the gems we are going to be mining for. Ooh, forgot this one. A turquoise. Real turquoise. Wow. We are going to be rich. So you guys know I love chopping open my squishy stuff. We are not doing this the traditional way with this little tool and just picking away at it. I think that would take about a year because this thing is so solid. It's so hard. I'm going to do a little dippy dip in this water. Get it super soft and squishy-like. Chop it up.
When don't you chop stuff up? That's pretty much all you do all day long. You're such a weirdo, Bubble. But this is going to be fun. It's got to soak for a while. It's like a brick. Ooh, look at the bubble in action. Like a bath bomb. Like one of those gold digget bars. Must be the stones inside trying to get out.
This thing has been soaking for a couple minutes and it is not getting softer. It's so much different than those other little gem bars I had. Those were almost like a squishy sand. This feels like a plank of wood. I don't know what's going on. Trying to get it soft. See if my shishis can go through it. Ah, barely. Gonna break them. And I almost forgot, if you guys, like I always say, are gonna do this at home, if you're gonna chop up these kind of things or your other squishy toys, just make sure you have an adult or parent supervising, because the scissors are sharp. It can get kind of dangerous, so just make sure you're not doing this alone.
Oh, like the piece you cut with your shishis? Looks like there's dirt in there, like soil. What is that?
Oh, it's just soaking it away, still soaking. Ah!
Congratulations, Bubble. You like exploded it with your hands. Look at this. It looks like a volcano. It's bubbling. It's like gonna erupt on your table. What's wrong with you?
Actually, this is what we wanted. It's getting super soft. I kind of broke it up a little bit. Ew, it's bubbling. Looks like dirt. Ooh, but I see stuff. I see my gems. Let's start with little pieces at a time. I think that's the easiest way. Let's break them up. Break it apart. Ew, it's fizzing. It's like a bath bomb of dirt.
Bath bomb of dirt? Like all my bath bombs are made of dirt. What about yours? Ooh, that looks like peanut butter. Yeah.
While those other pieces are soaking away, they're bubbling. I don't know what's going on. They look like they're gonna explode. I have a little chunk right here. Got my shishis. Ooh, and it chops so good. Look at the chop action. Ooh, I see something right here. Work around it.
Okay, and like just make sure you don't chop up the stone. Because if you chop up the stone, seriously, I'm never talking to you again. Like, you don't make sense. Be gentle with it.
Had my first section here. I chopped it up. Ew, I can't describe this. It's almost like a clay or a dirt. It feels so squishy. Ew, it's all wet. And out of that piece, I'm thinking this was the only treasure.
You are the queen of mess, for sure. Like, let's wash this off in this little bath I made for the gems. Like, get it nice and clean. And see what it is. But it looks super beautiful. Let's see. Ugh, looks like poopy. And it's my hands, too. Gross.
Ew, my chopping block is like I've never seen it. This is a total mess. I do not like this. So I dumped all these little pieces of the brick. They are so super soft and squishy, ready for chopping. I'm just gonna put all of the excess dirt or whatever this is in this bowl. Then we're gonna look at the first find.
Ooh, and here it is. I cleaned it off a little for you, Bubble. Look at this thing. It's kind of like light blue, but I don't know what it is. I just don't know. Kind of like blue.
Here we go, our first treasure. And I do not know what it is. I was looking at the guide. I was thinking maybe like a turquoise, but it's way too light. It's like a light blue. Super pretty. Let's keep going.
Here, Bubble, you have so many squishy pieces to choose from. Like, what is next? How about the big one? I think there's a lot of stuff in here. Ugh.
Looks like the second one up is a super huge chunk. Chop it. Wow. It is working. My plan about soaking it in water worked. Nothing so far.
You got nothing so far, but I think the goods are on this side. I see them. They look beautiful. Just keep chopping and be careful. Whoa, one just popped out. Okay. I think the other one is right in my grip. We got two. Let me wash them. Here's the plan, Bubble. I'm gonna like wash these gems and see exactly what they are, and you're gonna clean up this pile of poo. And clean your shishis too. They look horrible. Look at that.
This is messy. My hands, ew, they look so gross. So here is what we found, and these two are so super pretty. I can't believe it. Look at this. It's super shiny and soft, almost feels like a silk. It's black with these little dots.
Means it has to be the snowflake obsidian. Looks just like it. Super heavy. I love this one. Wow. It's made of volcanic glass. Must be from like Hawaii or somewhere. Nice.
And for the second one, here it is. I saw it was purple. Oh, look at that. Looks like a piece of glass. It's got this beautiful purple and kind of like a clear crystal look to it. It's kind of sharp too. Super sharp. love that. I don't know which one I like more. I think I like this one a little bit more. This looks like a piece of jewelry.
You got my birthstone? I think that's the amethyst. Must be. Look at it. Looks exactly like the picture. Beautiful. I'm gonna like put it on a necklace and wear it. Yeah.
So far we got 3 out of the 10. 7 more to get. Just keep going.
Next one up, let's chop this big old squishy piece. How about that? How about that? Ooh, almost chopped that thing. Looks like the slug one. Feel like I'm giving this a haircut. Really do. Ugh.
Ooh, I see something. Look at this. It's like another purple one. I don't know if it's another amethyst. Look at that. So, so pretty. I'm going to go super easy. Don't want to ruin them. Wow. And in the other side, I see this purple one. Ooh, popped right out. I think the rest of this is like empty. Yep. Look at these.
Change your water. It's looking super gross. Get some fresh water.
Alrighty, so I got some new water and I rinsed these little rock babies off and they are beautiful. I really think this is like another amethyst. It looks so similar to this one. But if it's not, I'm thinking it's like a geode. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like purple. Here's the geode picture. Looks kind of like that one.
This looks like it's worth like $1 million, or maybe $2 million, I don't know, but like, we're gonna sell it today. Here's the other one. It's like greenish, crystally, super heavy, beautiful. It's got all these layers and dimensions. Not too sure what it's called. Not too sure.
Once you start looking these things up, it's kind of tricky. So this one, it could either be a fluorite, I'm thinking, kind of has that greenish color, or it could be a calcite. I don't know. But here's the last 2 beauties we found. Got 5 more left.
5 more? Can't believe it. Let's keep going. Best day of my life doing this. Wow. Green. Ooh. Ooh. What is this? Diamond?
Alright, so this little thing just popped out. Wow, this looks like a real crystal. It looks like I went into a cave and pulled this baby out. Then I see this green one in the corner. Oh, it's so, so pretty. It's got such a nice color. Look at that. It's like turquoise. I think that's the turquoise or whatever that is. Let's see if there's anything else in this little brick. Oh, there was. There actually was. Ooh, look at that.
Super lucky piece of brick. 3 stones in this little piece. 1, 2. Where's the 3rd? Oh, this green one. Gotta wash them off. I'll wash them in this fresh water bath. Yeah.
My little treasure hunters, here are 6, 7, and 8. That means there's 2 more left to find, and these are beautiful. Wow, look at this big one. Looks like a spear. It's like this kind of diamondy looking one. Crystal. This is almost like a jade turquoisey. I think this is probably the turquoise, not too sure. And this one here, it looks like so many different colors of brown. Rinse it off a little bit more. It's beautiful. Probably one of my favorite ones so far. It's got like a gold, bronzy, copper kind of look. Check out the guide.
How could you not recognize this, Bubble? You got the tiger's eye. The tiger's eye. The one I thought looked like a snail or a slug. It's beautiful. It's so soft and silky. Yeah. Love that one. You also got the quartz crystal. Looks like it came right out of the cave. Beautiful. It's got a point, kind of diamondy, almost crystal clear. Looks exactly like the picture, like spot on. Quartz crystal. This one, I'm really confused. It doesn't look like a turquoise, but then it's like not anything else in this book. So, I'm gonna say it's like jade. That's what it looks like. Green, a little bit of blue. Crazy coloring. Super soft.
So right here in front of my eyes, we got 8 different gems. We're going for 2 more. I think the pyrite and something else.
Oh, and Bubble, like I know it's not your style, but it would be so cool to like get this magnifier and like look at all the cracks and all the cool details. Like this is amazing. I'm gonna use this. Nice. Here are the final squishy brick pieces. Let's chop these. Final chop. Yes. Found something. It's like a black stone. Get it out nice and easy. It's like we're doing an operation on this thing. Here it is. Wow. And by my calculations, there should be 1 more left to get the 10th, and I think it's right here. And oh my goodness, it looks like gold. Put those 2 little things off to the side and make sure there's nothing left, like no surprises inside of this dirt. See, ooh, this is a big chunk. Surprised there's nothing in here. But there's not. And there's nothing in here, and there's nothing in here. So basically, like chocolate pudding. Oh, time to rinse the final 2 riches off. Maybe I'll finally use this little brush. May come in handy. I don't like it. Good as new. We just witnessed magic from like huge brick to riches. This looks like gold. Must be the pyrite. Most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life.
And the final 2 we just pulled out, 9 and 10. We got this one here, the pyrite. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's actually my fave of every single one of these. Looks like a real piece of gold. And then we got this one here. It's like a super shiny, super soft black little stone, almost like a pebble. Not too sure what that is. Kind of similar to this, without the snowflake spots. It was a lot of fun, a lot of messy fun. My fingers are all messed up, but I loved every one of these. I'm gonna look at them a little later with this magnifier and read about it. And we are gonna have so many more fun videos coming up on the show. And if you wanna subscribe to our channel, just click this big yellow bubble with the bubblegum machine and subscribe. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.
Ha! And while you're reading about this stuff, I'm gonna go like melt this down and make a necklace. Golden. Oh yeah.